Hi and welcome to my Let's Play WoW Legion, I think it is. Should be anyway. I'll be doing some more rogue. I might do some rogue if I get it out. Can't speak today. I'll be doing some rogue. I might do paladin. So look out for that. Where am I going here? Yeah, look out for that. My rogue is level 17 anyway. I'm going wrong way. I'm going wrong way here. Oh dear, I think no. Another day. Yeah, so look out for that. That should be a good let's play. It's not really a let's play, it's just playing different games for a bit. Do a couple of missions and see where it leads to. Right, click the captain's cargo. Right. Right. Right, let's kill some of these first. I think sounds a bit too
I
quiet.
need to target something first.
No, it's not, it's alright. Okay.
I don't have a target. I need a target. I need to target something first.
I think I'm in trouble here. I'm pulling too many here. Let's get a shield up. Keep pressing wrong buttons. I'm not used to this laptop yet. Right, what am I supposed to grab round here? No, right, oh, is that the chest one?
I need a target.
Yeah, I think it is. No, in. No. Oh, next. That's all. Silver leaves, no. I think, oh, there. Loads of these little Murloc things.
I don't have a target.
Where did you come from? Yeah, I'm not used to this laptop yet. That's why I'm making them short and sweet until I start doing streaming. I will be doing some streaming. But once I get used to the laptop and my setup, I need a chair, you see. I need a chair. So I'm laid down at the minute, you see. And it's a bit, uncomfortable when doing, when talking and that. That's all. These two. Right, that's 6. Not easy enough. Right, for the hard bit. Who's coming our way? That's what we need to kill.
I need a target.
Right, that was easy enough. Right, let's collect the loot. We'll have that, we'll have that. Right, I'm going to turn these in. Swim across here. Think I'll have a drink. Yep, here we go. Not easy enough.
Anu Belore Delana.
I should get heirlooms really. I'm trying to get heirlooms for this character, but I'm a bit newbie at it, so I don't know how to go about.
Salama Ashalanore.
Oh, what's armor? Turn another item. See, when we're talking on the laptop, I have to use my headset mic. It is quite an expensive headset, like, but I do prefer when I'm on PC. My proper, is it Blue Yeti? My Blue Yeti I've got. But I've got to do SLR. To do webcam, like. But I could do with a chair. I've got a table, but I need a chair really. I need a chair. I need to order one today after I've done this. And these in.
Glory to the Sindori.
Well, Rex, yeah.
Remember the Sunwell.
Anu Belore Delana. Death to all who oppose us.
That's level 10. Specialization. Let's have a look. Right, I want to be healer. That's all part of being a priest, is being a healer. Right, I might as well keep the same one then. I'll keep saying one. Yeah, I'll keep saying one, I think. I don't need to change. This one's doing me alright. What's this? Yeah. Launches a volley of holy light at the target, causing 165 holy damage over 2 seconds. Castable while moving. Right, let's swap that. How do I do it? No, shift. There we go, shift. Swap that with that. Swap that with that. There we go. Right, I will catch you in the next one. I know these are only short videos, but for the time being, until I get me set up right, until I'm comfortable, there will be short videos, but best as I can do it for a minute on my new laptop. I could, I suppose, do some longer videos on my PC, but I'm really learning all configurations with the laptop, really, so I prefer laptop. But once I get a chair, I've got a camera and everything like that. I've got everything what I need. But once I get a chair, I'll be able to do streaming on Twitch or YouTube. Mainly Twitch because YouTube's going downhill. But we'll see what happens in the future. So I will catch you in the next one. Bye for now.